Kelvin Ariol in the CX Racing FCRX7. Ooh, Kelvin. It's exploding that front bumper. As it says on his windshield, ding. Uh-oh.
Took off the wheel. Seems like I tacoed it. What's going on, guys? I'm coming to you from my garage here. I'm gonna try to fix some messed up wheels. I actually messed up this wheel drifting at the track, just sending it. I was at Apple Valley Speedway, drifting at the Flavor Express Corolla Matsuri event. I knew my tires were bald, so I just sent it. I might have a clip here. This guy actually got a photo of me drifting with no tire, so cue in the photo. So that resulted in falling out, shooting off into the dirt, and seeing the damage that we see now. Some wood and my TIG torch. Okay, I know my workbench is super dirty. Half the battle is keeping it clean here. So I got some wood here. We're gonna stack it in here. We're gonna find the lowest spot. I think this is around the lowest spot, right? We could check run out with the dial indicator, but I think this is a little obvious. We're gonna get our bottle jack in place here. And then one thing I'll do is get this round piece of aluminum. It conforms to the shape, I guess. I don't know. All right, so one thing you wanna be careful about is having eye protection. This little piece could shoot out at any moment. Better than nothing. Starting to hear a bunch of funny noises. Okay, let's see how much it springs back. Oh, quite a bit, okay. Decided to get the torch out to soften up the lip a little. I was literally just gonna heat it up with the TIG torch and just heat it up like I was welding it, but this works too. And as you can see, it's kind of a wheel already. That might hold air. Adamantium, vibranium, or Beskar. What do you guys think is the strongest alloy in the world? Comment down below. Like I always say, better than before. Okay guys, so I actually found this die. Close enough, right? Let's try putting this die in here. Even then, I see some high spots here. It's almost like a normal wheel. So what I'm probably gonna do is reclock this so the die is against this little kink here. Let's see how much tension is on this thing. A lot. Since it's buckled here, I have to stretch the metal so I can get this part a little higher because it's just springing back. Okay, this is why. Okay guys, this is why we need to have PPE. Obviously this piece of wood snapped. Right? I kind of had it cut down to conform the shape of the wheel. And it just split and it ejecto seat cuz. Okay, so after the jack sprung out, here is an after. Right? It almost looks like a circle instead of an egg. And I feel like I can just hammer this lip flat. Right? And that should help me shape it. I don't know, boys. That might hold air. Not really. Okay, guys. There's a lot of tension in this thing. I think we need to go back to the bottle jack. Decided to set it up flat like this. Hopefully it won't want to fly out. So I should probably hammer down this lip, as this will help hold its shape as I hammer that down. So I'm gonna have to heat this up. With that, at least now this has a radius. So my plan is just to get this inside hot and then hammer it. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, then so I'm fine with the back because this is actually around now. And if I had money, I would just cut off this lip, right? Because it's 3-piece welded, and I would weld a new lip. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna hammer this one back into place. We're gonna see how much moves without putting heat to it. Gonna keep working on here. I mean, I'm happy. What do you guys think about this wheel repair? Okay. You know what? I am totally fine with this. Okay guys, I think it's better. Right, this is the outer lip. Let's go around down. Alright guys, I'm gonna be repairing more wheels in the future. If you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.